11-year-old Lauren going into 2nd grade, and 10-year-old Nick going into 5th grade. And here comes David Lippin going into 5th grade with Nick. And Andrea Lippin going into 2nd grade with Lauren. And there's Mrs. Lippin. Our graders and someone I do not know. Nick, who's your friend?
Him?
Yeah, where'd you go?
I don't know, it's David.
Where'd you go? There's the bus. Here it comes. Nikki's going to get a back seat. And there they go. And there they go.
I have the horse. My feet on fire. This cow is wiggling.
Who's over, Keith?
I can't.
Let's see some rockin'.
Hey, Mom, record me.
Okay.
I'm gonna go a tree. All these.
How you do that?
That's easy.
Wow.
I'm racing.
And there's another monkey up on the tree. Whoa. Think Kristen's coming to the rescue. Help him, Kristen. He can't reach it. Oh, he fell off. Let's see some rocking on that horse. Yeah, so.
Record me. Record me.
Okay.
Over here.
Okay.
I'm going back.
The horse is too high, Keith.
I can't get on it.
Let me help you?
I got. I'm going back on.
Hurry up, get on that horse.
I'm going.
Here he comes. He's coming, he's a wild man.
Got it. Whoa.
Kristen, where'd you get him from? He's a wild man.
Got it.
Do you need help? Did you ever hear of just climbing up?
Like my trick.
That was a great trick.
Like how I did it. This is bad stuff. Now I'm standing. I'm making a high. Oh my! What? Oh, I own it. This is my only foot I ever had.
Let me see you, Keith. Where you going today?
That's my tail.
Cute tail. Not too close. Not too close. Back up. Act out a tiger for me. Go for your face.
Mike, bring it here.
Flowers.
Keith. Very nice.
I know everybody wants to take pictures, but you're going to have to find your own space because there are people still behind you that are taking pictures.
Oh, that's a great pumpkin, Janelle. Wish we could take it to the mall. Let me get it on TV. Let me see you, Lauren. Your pumpkin, Lauren. I must get Lauren's pumpkin. Here's Lauren's pumpkin. She's working.
Bambi's got a broken leg. See? See her leg? There goes Bambi into the woods. Bye-bye, Bambi.
Get the door for her, Keith. Go give him candy. Who are these guys? Trick or treat. What are you back already for? Sure. You guys get a lot of candy? People come up to our door and said there's this cute girl walking around outside.
A lady thought you were a girl. What's the girl goes through? I'm like, I'm not a girl, you don't have shoes. What's the milk?
Nick's got it.
Wow.
You know, you're goofy. Hey, Nick!